One of the hot items that is on everybody's mind right now is the No Surprises Act, which is a mandate that requires private and group plans to have a provider data verification process in place by January 1 of 2022. One of the questions that I get asked the most is, how do we actually start to implement a plan? Whenever implementing a plan, I like to think about goal setting, awareness, planning, action, and execution. Awareness. In Q1, literally right now, what needs to happen is you and your teams need to start to get their heads wrapped around understanding what is actually in the legislation and what is at stake, so that you can actually start to work on putting together an actionable, defined plan. By Q2, which is our planning stage, really what we want you to start to do is work with us at Quest Analytics on a risk assessment. Let our team help you identify what your risks are so that we can outline a plan of action to address. Now let's put it to action. By Q3, you really need to have picked that partner and begin the implementation phase of how to implement the plan into your standard operating procedures. And finally, the execution of this is in Q4. You really need to be working to work and tweak the fine details so that by January 1 of 2022, you have a well-defined, defendable process that addresses the No Surprise Act and is in place by January 1 of 2022.